Hey everybody, how are you? And I just wanted to share a haul that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I am going to use a little bit of this black and white in my fall decor. Not completely, but just certain pieces of it. So I got this, and it's just a thin little piece of wood. Stands up by itself. And all this was 40% off. And then this little pumpkin, if you have a scroll saw, you could easily just get one of these and use it as your pattern, and then get scrapbook paper or paint it yourself. But I thought this would be cute for my tiered tray. And then down here I got one of these little containers that say give thanks, and another one said blessings, I think it was. But I got it because after the holidays I will just turn it around and use it this way on my hutch. So I got that. Then I got these pumpkins, and I really like this green with the cream and this particular color of pumpkin. And these were $2.99, 40% off. And then these two little scarecrows, let me show you these guys. Look at how cute. Their little hat with the little straw. And they sit up by themselves. And these were only $2.99, 40% off. So I got two of those. But aren't they cute? So I got those. Then I went ahead and I got this garland, and I may use this for my Halloween. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'll do this. I probably will do it for fall as well, but this was only $5. And this, you can add to this if you want, but for $5 that wasn't bad. So that is my small haul, and I will be having a couple others shortly. I wanted to show you what I got in this one. Well, here I am with another fall haul, and this haul, well, half of it's going to be for DIYs and the other half is just for decorating. But I wanted to show you these little pumpkins, and this was all 40% off. These are going into an adorable DIY. I cannot wait to show you this. I thought it was so cute. And then I got these fall leaves, and I'll just put those around in certain areas. But I really like the colors. Then I got these. These are really pretty cupcake picks. Some of them sometimes are cheesy, you know what I mean? But these two I thought were really very pretty. So I got those. And then I got this Welcome to Our Home, and this was three something. So and then over here, today is a blessing. It's a pumpkin. Not sure where that'll go. It might go on my 3-tier tray. And then I just got these picks, and these were a couple dollars a piece. And then my really good find was this bucket, and it is a nice wooden bucket, and it was $2.38 because it was a part of the spring. Normally it was $14. So that was my big savings of the day. So I just wanted to share this little haul, but I thought I got some nice things. So just wanted to share that with you. And until next time, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget it. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.